In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GitHub to Jira and keep your development work synced automatically. If you're managing code, pull requests, and issue tracking across separate tools, it's easy for things to get out of sync. That usually leads to manual updates, missed context, and wasted time. The good news is that Jira includes a built-in way to connect your repository activity with your project tracking, so your commits and development status can appear where your team actually needs them. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira site, or sign in through the Atlassian login page if needed. Once you're on the main Jira dashboard, look across the top navigation bar and click Apps. This is where you'll access integrations and app management for your workspace. After that, open the option to find or explore new apps. This will take you to the Atlassian marketplace where you can search for available integrations. In the search field near the top of the page, type GitHub and press enter. From the results, find the official app called GitHub for Jira, then open its listing page so you can review and install it. Next, go to the upper right area of the app page and click Get It Now or Get App depending on what your screen shows. A confirmation window may appear, and if it does, click the same confirmation button again to continue. Jira will then begin adding the app to your workspace. Give it a moment to complete since the setup can take a few seconds. Once the installation finishes, click Get Started or Configure to open the integration setup screen. On that page, choose the option to connect a GitHub organization or connect an account. If you're already signed into GitHub in the same browser, you'll likely see your available organizations right away. Select the organization you want to connect, click Connect, and follow the permission prompts to authorize access. Make sure you review those permissions carefully before approving them. If you don't want to sync every repository in the organization, you can narrow it down. In the GitHub configuration window, switch from syncing all repositories to only selected repositories. Then use the repository selector to choose just the projects you want included and save your changes. This is especially helpful for larger teams or more controlled environments. Finally, test the connection with a smart commit. In your terminal, go to your code project, make a change, and create a commit message that includes your Jira issue key along with a smart commit command. Then push that branch to GitHub. After that, return to Jira, open the related issue, and check the development panel on the right side. You should see your branch, commit activity, and tracking updates begin to appear there. That's it. Your GitHub and Jira workflow is now connected, giving your team much better visibility without manual updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.